Hello everyone, here is Vela from SMA. Today, glad to share the adjustable fire alarm system with you. This is our FP300 series fire alarm system with LPCB certificate. Let us move on the panel. The panel with dust-proof cover. One panel can support up to 8 loops. Total 324 adjustable devices in one loop. Here, total 32 zooms in one panel. The 32 zoom can give quick indication of the fire alarm location. This is the screen. We can read the information and menu in here. Here is printer. It can print the fire and alarm history. Let us move on the other main parts. These devices, we have the LPCB certificate, like the adjustable smoke detector, adjustable heat detector, manifold point, loop isolator, in output module, adjustable job sounder and conventional job sounder.
Okay.
This is an adjustable job sounder base. We use the detector to install the sounder base. Later, we will show the test video for you. This is an adjustable manifold point with key reset. Here is loop isolator to protect the loop shot. Here is input and output module, two functions in one module. Usually, we connect with the conventional devices like the conventional smoke detector, conventional bell, horn. This is an adjustable job sounder and conventional job sounder. This is repeater to read the fire information. This product is the true wire, like the smoke detector, heat detector, job sounder base, manifold point, loop isolator, and adjustable job sounder. And this system can support panel-to-panel network. The quantity is 20 pieces. Now let me test whole system for you. Thank you.